Hey guys, this is Geraldine and welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be like a little unboxing video. So I just got, actually guys, I'm about to take this YouTube thing very serious. So I'm at home, as you can see. I'm in my pajamas. I bought like a little YouTube setup. That's my ring light, mic, backdrop, mic, just like a little YouTube setup for me to get started. Like I said, I'm about to take this YouTube thing very serious. So the packages just arrived. They're on the floor right now, so I'm gonna kind of, unbox and set it up with you guys. Okay, so some of the package I've already kind of opened to just take a sneak peek. I haven't really seen it. I just opened it to take a sneak peek and I put it back because I wanted to make this video. So we're gonna be unboxing and just basically seeing what delivered and if I like it, and basically trying to set it up basically. So let's get this video started. Box that, and yeah, by the way, they came from Jumia. Some of them came from Kunga. So this is the box. Okay, then this is the ring light here, and then the other there's some of them on the floor. So like I said, I already kind of opened the box to take a sneak peek to be sure that they actually brought what they sent. So guys, yeah, the ring light, let's unbox it. Okay, that's all. The box is empty. It's kind of small, smaller than I expected. I expected it to be bigger. I expected it easier. If I'm sweating, please, because the weather is so freaking hot, like freaking HOT hot. So yeah, this ring light is quite small. Smaller than I expected. Let me show you guys. And then there's a thing here that I can hang. It. And then comes with like a control thing here. That's nice. And then a USB cord, so you can use it. There's no electricity. You can use it with your power bank, I guess. You can use it with your power bank or something. Let me plug it in like a power, because so when you plug it in, it has like a light here. So I think put it on. Let's see. Let me see how. I just hope it's bright, because if it's not bright, I'm just going to return it. Okay, it's not even bright enough. Let's increase. Yeah, and you can increase, you can reduce. So let's increase it. There are like 3 or 4 levels of like to increase. So this is it. It's really not that bright. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm kind of disappointed. It's really not that bright. I was expecting it to be brighter. Let's see. Yeah, you can change the what do you call it, the type of lighting. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. I like the third one better. So this is it. I'm really kind of disappointed, I'm not even gonna lie, because I was expecting it to be brighter first of all, and I was expecting it to be bigger. I was expecting it to be brighter and I was expecting it to be bigger, but this can work. It's really not that bad. Tell me what you guys think. It's really not that bad. This can work. Okay, so let's see the rest of the items. Let me put it. Yeah, it also came with, I don't know, this is like a pocket. It has a lot of, let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. This has lenses. These are lenses. That's weird. I've never seen any of this before. Lenses. Then there's like a, what's this? What is this? Like a clip. I think it's a lens. Oh my god, it fell. Like lens, and it comes with a clip or something. I really don't know what this is. I haven't seen it before, but let's just keep it down for a second. And then also in this little pouch, it has like a remote. Nice, like a remote. Can you guys see that? It has like a remote, so if I want to like start a video, I can just click on the video start. If I want to end it, I can just click on the video end. That's nice. Then here we have just screws. Oh my god, it fell. Whoa. This are basically screws for the, I think, for the tripod. And then the next is actually the tripod. So this is the tripod. That's it. I really don't know how to. Okay. Oh wow, nice. What was that? Let's see. Okay, I'm quite confused. What? Can you guys see this? See, it came. Wow, see, one of the thing is missing. Like, look, this one has like a, I don't know, whatever this is, and then it's missing here. Can you imagine? Like, this Jumia is just so, like, it's just so messed up. Anyway, like I was saying, I really don't know how to operate this, so I think, okay, yeah, it goes up. It goes up. And it comes down. It's quite tall though. Wow. You guys, it goes really up. I really can't I can't take the camera off because it took me a lot of time to set that camera right there. But it's really long, that's what I like. And it can go down. It can go down. It can go up. And let's try and set the tripod to the ring lights. So I really don't know how this is gonna work. I really have no idea on how to set this thing up. I really don't know. So guys, sorry for the distraction. Actually, what happened was that my neighbor put on his gen, and I don't know if I'm gonna put that clip, but the gen was making so much noise. It wasn't even possible to continue with that, to continue filming. So as you can see, it's already dark right now. It's like about 7 o'clock right now. I was making that video like around 5 or 6, so now it's 7 o'clock. So let's continue unboxing and setting up the tripod. So where did we stop? And here I forgot to show you guys. This is I think this is the phone holder. What's going to hold your phone? And this, I don't even know where to start from. Like, I'm never gonna lie, I don't know. Is this how it's supposed to go? Oh, okay. So I think these nuts are supposed to go here. So let's fix that. So this will make it firm, like this screw here is going to make you firm so that it won't slide back up, so it won't slide back up and down. So since you have done that, I'm bring it down a bit to our level. So after that is done, think I really don't know how this is supposed to go. I'm really confused. I really don't know. So I'm just gonna search on YouTube really quick on how to connect it. So this is the video I found. I'm just going to watch the video and just basically see what's gonna happen. Yes, her ring light is quite similar to mine. I think it's almost the same thing. So let's just see how it goes. Oh, you're supposed to put it here. I didn't know. You're supposed to put this here. I was supposed to put the other one. I think I'm supposed to put this one. I'm supposed to put this one here. And then before I put it, let me come closer. Before I put it here. Okay. I really don't know. I think this is what she did. I really her video is quite it's explanatory, but like I don't know. I think maybe because the ring light is not the same, so it's kind of difficult to really understand what she's doing. But I think she put this one here because it's like I don't know. So I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to be hanging like this. It's not supposed to be hanging. I think it's supposed to be something to make it firm or something. Oh, so it was this one. This one goes here. Okay, it's firm now. It's not moving. It's not moving. So I think the next thing is to fix this part of the phone holder to this. So guys, I've fixed the phone holder to the ring light. I just hope it's firm enough. But this thing doesn't look, is it just me? Hold on. Is it just me or this thing doesn't look firm enough? It feels like if I put my phone, it's going to, drop or come down or something. I don't know if I'm not doing it well, but in the video, that's what the lady said in the video, that this is how you're supposed to fix it. I guess. So let's go to the next part. So that is it. So let me plug it to like a power source to see basically how it's going to look. Well, this thing is so loose. This is supposed to be loose. Oh yeah, I forgot to put this screw. This screw is supposed to go here. So guys, I'm just going to plug this to a power source and let's basically see how the lighting is gonna be. Okay, it's not bad. Let's bring it down a bit. It's really not bad. What do you guys think about the lighting? I just wish it was way brighter, but like this can work. Like it's really not bad. It's okay. And then this is the remote, so I think it's like a Bluetooth remote. So if I want to start and I don't want to like go all the way to go and start it, I can just press it and it's going to start recording. And I was saying that these lenses, I really don't think it's going to be useful because I don't think I really need lenses, to be honest. So it might come in handy, I really don't know. So let me just keep that to the side. So guys, the next thing I ordered was mic. So this is so people can hear me. My last videos, people were always complaining. Oh, what's that? My last video, people were always complaining they couldn't hear me. So I think it's quite a regular mic. And then since I film and record on my iPhone, it has like the iPhone thing, like the iPhone pin or something. So that's pretty much it. Then it comes with a clip. I'm guessing to clip the mic to your outfit, to your clothes or something. Yeah, so this is the mic, guys. So I'm going to put the prices of all these things on the screen. I'll either put it on the screen or put it in my bio. So it's really affordable. It's really not that expensive. And then the last or not the least is a backdrop. So I got this backdrop from Tonga. To be honest, I don't really know if I'm going to be using backdrop. I think I'm just going to be filming like my regular background. But I just bought the backdrop just in case. So this is like the way view. This is like the way view, my address, whatnot. So yeah, sometimes I might just want to drop like fire content. Yeah, so it's just like a regular backdrop. And yeah, it came really cool. Damn. It came super really cold. I feel like if a backdrop is raincoat, then it's not a backdrop anymore, it's something else, because backdrop is supposed to be smooth. It's supposed to be really smooth, and it came raincoat, so I'm really upset about that. So I have to iron it right now if I want to use it. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. But you guys, that's that for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video, and also if you have any video ideas you think I should do, please comment down below and I'll be so glad to do it. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.